How's the temperature of the water? Excellent.
A little bit of soap.
Telmo, that's oil!
Of course, that way Paquito will come out nice and soft.
Telmo, don't be ridiculous. We will bathe him by using the special shampoo for hamsters.
But why?
Because Paquito is a hamster?
That's if we get him this time.
Take it easy, I have everything under control. I bought this sponge.
But you spent your whole allowance on Paquito?
Yes, what's the problem? I want him to win the pet competition in school.
Dino will win. He's the sexiest pet in the world.
Telmo, stuffed animals aren't allowed to enter.
This competition is not fair.
Telmo, the time has come now. Paquito! That's how I like Paquito, to be very good. Paquito, don't start this. Just stay still. You're going to have a great time in the bath.
Is there a problem, Tula?
Not at all. Everything's under control.
Leave it to me. You just grab Paquito. Don't tell him anything about the bath. Make pretend.
You've got it. Paquito, come look at this really soft bed I bought for you.
I've got you now. Whoa!
Telmo! Telmo, are you okay?
I already took a bath this morning. This Paquito's a little pig. He always does the same thing at bath time.
I've got him, Telmo. Let's make a pig sponge.
This little pig will be the cleanest pig in the whole world.
Let's start with the materials we're going to need. A pink sponge.
Different sizes of cork.
Markers.
Scissors.
White glue.
Clips.
And crazy eyes.
We could use a water hose to bathe Paquito.
What do you want to do, flood the whole room?
Well, that way we'll at least get him a little wet. And if we use your soap, we won't only clean Paquito, the entire room will turn out super clean.
All right, but it's your job to dry the room.
I better not do that. I don't want Dino to get sick from so much water.
Let's get started with the directions for our project. We grab a pink bath sponge and we cut it into 2 round pieces, a big one for the body and a smaller one for the head. We get 7 corks, 2 small ones for the ears, 4 medium ones for the legs, and a big one for the snout. We cut the widest part of the big cork to make the snout.
Tula, we could present our little pig in the competition for the pets at school.
Telmo, you can only present animals that are real.
Well, then let's bring it to life. Yesterday I saw a movie in which some crazy doctor gave life to a monster.
That's impossible.
Believe me, he put some screws in his neck and then a lightning bolt brought him to life.
And you think you're putting some screws on our little pig will bring him back to life?
If Dr. Gronkenstein could do it, we could as well. Imagine it. We would come out on TV.
Telmo, we already came out on TV.
I know, Tula. Pretty girls always stop to ask for my autograph.
While Telmo is dreaming, let's look at the next step for our project. We draw 2 points on the cut piece of cork with a black marker. These will be the nostrils of his nose. We draw the hooves on the 4 medium corks. These will be the feet. Then we stick all the corks to the sponge with white glue. The snout and the ears will be on the small sponge, which will be the head, and the 4 feet on the big sponge. Be careful when you draw the hooves. Make sure they're all going the same way. Then we'll let it dry. Telmo, I have an idea.
I'm all ears, sister.
Let's try a tactic in order to fool Paquito.
Wonderful.
You just follow my lead. Telmo, look at what a pretty pig we're making.
It's the best pet in the world, and it just loves to be bathed.
It will be so clean that I'm sure he'll win the competition. Look, here he comes.
Tula, don't you feel like taking a bath with a little pig?
Of course, and since it's a sponge, I'll be able to rub myself with it and everything. We're gonna have a great time.
There's nothing better than energized again.
Paquito!
Tula, I don't think your tactic really worked out.
That's what it seems. Oh well, let's go over the last part of our project. We open up 2 clips. We stick one clip halfway through the front part of the body and we insert the head on the projecting part of the clip. We cut a strip of sponge a little bit shorter than an opened up clip and we insert the clip into the middle of it, leaving a little piece outside in order to insert the body into. We coil it up to make it look like a pigtail and then we insert it on the back part of the body. We glue on 2 crazy eyes and we're finished with our little pig. How beautiful!
He's the cutest pig in the whole world.
Yes, and with those eyes, he looks just like you.
Hey, that wasn't funny at all, Tula. Hello, grown-up.
What are you gonna do?
Paquito!
Grown-up, how'd you do that?
Grown-up, that is our little pig.
How do you manage to make Paquito always listen to you?
I have an idea. Grown-up, just follow my lead. Very good, Paquito. Now rub yourself with the sponge. It actually worked.
Leave it to me. Now dry yourself off with this towel. Well, at least I can present him clean at the competition.
Grown-up, do you think Paquito will win?